It's actually very humbling when I look back and think about the first conversation Dave and I had about me trying to learn private lending and what I should do. And he got back to me with a course called Just Be the Bank. They tell you from A to Z exactly what to do, how to be a successful private lender. If you follow their playbook, and I call it their playbook, you can't lose money.
The impact that Just Be the Bank has had on our family has been tremendous. It's nice to have Cooper home more often. The kids get to spend a lot more time with him. I get to spend a lot more time with him.
So over the course of the last 70-something deals, as I look back, I realize, with what I'm getting in returns from 12 to 15, 16, 17% even, if you can get them to multiply over the course of a year, it doesn't take long to figure out how much money you have to play with, invest with, and how much you can make.
The impact has been amazing, and it's only going to get even better.